friends, welcome to Spoonful of Pleasure. Today we'll make chicken curry or chicken masala. So let's get started. You can find the detailed list of ingredients in the description box. We need some powdered spices and some whole spices. Time to cut some vegetables. We'll start with the onions, tomatoes and some coriander. We will take a hot kadai with some oil and drop the whole spices. We will add some sugar and wait for it to caramelize. This adds a nice color and flavor. We will add finely sliced onions and give it a quick mix. Once the onion turns golden brown, we will add ginger garlic paste and the powdered spices. Mix them and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Let's add some water, about half a cup. Mix it and repeat the same process for 2 to 3 times. We will add the tomatoes and cook for some time. Time to add some butter. Let's add the chicken, add some salt and then cook for 3 to 4 minutes. We will add some water, about a cup, and keep cooking for 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, add the finely chopped coriander leaves. You can sprinkle some Garam Masala for added flavor. And your chicken curry is ready. Enjoy this with naan, paratha, poori, roti, pulao, or simply steamed rice. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please like, subscribe and share.